Hello everyone, this is Nick, Senior Sales Manager of ZGSM. Here today, I'd like to introduce our new launched rifle series at this GLAN. As we see, rifle series has three different sizes of housing: the small one, the medium one, and the large one. The small one power range from 20 to 80. The medium one power range from 80 to 150. The large one power range from 150 to 240. All these are IP66 waterproof design for outdoor using. They are also IP10 rated with tempered glass. With well-known luminous LED chips and the mainwell or in electronics LED driver, the efficiency of a rifle can be up to 170 lumen per watt, and the lifetime is more than 100,000 hours. Rifle has adjustable feature which supports both horizontal and vertical installation with an angle from -15 degrees to 15 degrees. It can also be equipped with a photo cell or smart controller on the top of a lamp by the NIMA socket. In order to comply with different applications, rifle has more than 5 types of lengths for your choice. Rifle can be opened by hand, no need any tools. This makes maintenance much easier. Looking to the driver box, we can find it used in Fantronics programmable timing driver. We could also provide a mainwell driver upon your request. All models of rifle are equipped with extra 10 kV SPD to protect the lamps from surge. And we also have knife switch for your option, which can cut off the power automatically when opening the housing. If you want it, please let us know before order. This is level bubble. It's easy for installer to confirm lamp is horizontal or not. And this is vent, which can help avoid internal fogging and frosting. If you are interested and want to know more about our rifle LSG lamp, please contact our sales team. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you.